Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Reboot My Body. Today, we're talking about something every senior needs to understand: the pneumonia vaccine. Pneumonia is one of the leading causes of hospitalization and death among older adults, especially during the colder months. But the good news is, many severe cases are preventable with the right vaccine. So today, we're breaking down the two major pneumonia shots, PCV20 and PPSV23, what's inside them, and which one you may need. What is pneumonia? Pneumonia is a serious lung infection that makes it hard to breathe. It can be caused by viruses, but the most dangerous cases for seniors usually come from pneumococcal bacteria, Streptococcus pneumoniae. According to the World Health Organization, pneumococcal disease is responsible for millions of cases of severe illness each year and remains a major cause of death in adults over 65. Vaccine number 1, PCV20, Prevnar 20. PCV20 protects against 20 strains of pneumococcal bacteria, including most of the strains responsible for severe infection worldwide. Who is PCV20 recommended for? Many health authorities recommend that adults 60 or 65 and older who have never received a pneumococcal vaccine get one dose of PCV20. One shot, you're protected. This vaccine is quickly becoming the preferred option globally because of its stronger and longer immune response. Verified ingredients in PCV20 from FDA and EMA public documents. PCV20 contains purified polysaccharides from 20 pneumococcal serotypes. Each polysaccharide is conjugated to a diphtheria toxin-derived carrier protein, CRM197, aluminum phosphate, adjuvant, salts, sodium chloride, water for injection. What it does not contain: no live bacteria, no preservatives, no antibiotics, no fetal cells, and no mercury, thimerosal. These ingredients have been openly published by the FDA and EMA in the official product information for PCV20. Vaccine number 2, PPSV23, Pneumovax 23. PPSV23 covers 23 strains, but more strains does not automatically mean better protection. PCV20 creates a stronger immune response for most seniors because it is a conjugate vaccine, meaning the immune system recognizes it more effectively. Who gets PPSV23? Doctors may recommend PPSV23 if you previously received older vaccines like PCV13, you have chronic medical conditions, or your local health guidelines prefer a combination schedule. Verified ingredients in PPSV23 from FDA and CDC vaccine composition documentation. PPSV23 contains purified pneumococcal polysaccharides from 23 serotypes, saline solution, 0.25% phenol, which is used as a preservative. PPSV23 does not contain no live bacteria, no aluminum, no fetal cells, and no mercury or thimerosal. All verified from FDA package inserts and CDC vaccine composition documentation. So which shot should seniors get? Here's the simple version. If you've never had a pneumonia vaccine before, most seniors will get one dose of PCV20. If you've had older vaccines, PCV13 or PPSV23, your doctor may recommend PCV20 alone or a combination schedule depending on your history. Important: guidelines vary slightly by country. WHO notes that pneumonia vaccine recommendations can differ due to cost, supply, and local disease patterns. So always talk to your healthcare provider for the plan that fits your medical history. Can you get the pneumonia shot with flu or COVID vaccines? Yes. According to the CDC, pneumonia vaccines can be given on the same day as flu or COVID vaccines, but spacing them out is also perfectly fine, especially if you want to observe side effects one at a time. Final thoughts. Pneumonia is serious, especially as we age, but the right vaccine can prevent many severe cases. If you're over 60 or 65 and haven't discussed the pneumonia shot with your doctor, now is a great time, especially during respiratory illness season. Stay informed, stay protected. And as always, stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider for recommendations tailored to your health needs.